The rear axle has been fully prepped by Colby. We got the brace installed for our triangulated four-link in the back. But before we put it underneath there, we're gonna go ahead and throw one more upgrade of that, and that is a set of Crown brake lines. Now, you know, for me, I love running Crown brake lines on all of my vehicles, mainly because of the strength. You end up with the multi-layered design of the actual brake line itself. That makes it incredibly safe, prevents it from any swelling when you put that brake pressure into the line, and then the one-piece fittings makes it incredibly strong. This removes any of those leak points that can come up in a brake system. Now, we were able to simply spec a set of F-150 lines for this rear axle, and I had them do it in this dark black smoke because it's kind of going to go with the theme of the truck, and it'll simply replace the factory rubber flex lines that go from the axle up to the frame. When taking off the old brake lines, I like to use a line wrench to make sure that I don't round off any of the tube nuts. These Crown Performance brake lines are also Kevlar reinforced, and as I've said before, they are some of my favorite brake lines on the market, and they come in multiple colors to match any application that you want.